Hey, welcome back to Grandma's Corner 2020. Gee whiz, I almost forgot who I am. Anyway, I am going to be reading a really cool book. If you like insects, this is the book for you. Even though the title is a little misleading because it does say, have you seen bugs? There are more interesting animals in here than just bugs. Bugs are just one kind of insect. But we use the word loosely. We say bugs when we talk about everything. But just know bugs is only one kind of insect. All right, here we go. Have you seen bugs? This is by Joanne Oppenheim and illustrated by Ron Broda. So thank you for this book. Have you seen bugs? Itty bitty bugs and a speck of sand, small as a speck of sand, wide-winged bugs bigger than your hand, bugs with stripes or speckles or spots, shiny like metal or covered with dots. Iridescent bugs that shimmer in the light. Winking, blinking bugs that twinkle in the night. Dark as bark green on grass, see-through bugs with wings like glass. Shaped like thorns or sticks or leaves. Oh boy, what a wild book there. Burrowed in bubbles or clinging to trees. Hide and seek bugs. Can you see these? Watch out for these show-off bugs with colors bold and bright, flashy, sassy, daring bugs, such easy bugs to sight. Like warning signs, bold markings say, I'm poison, I smell, I sting, stay away. And that's true. Usually the brighter the insect or bug, it means stay away. Have you seen bugs and how they move? Long-legged bugs jumping with a bound, short-legged bugs running on the ground. Some are fat, they dart and leap. Some are slow, they crawl and creep. Bugs that flutter and scurry and dive. Bugs that buzz around a hive. Walking on the ceiling, crawling up a wall. Some bugs hardly move at all. What about water bugs? Walking on the water bugs, swimming underwater bugs, skimming over water bugs, oaring, soaring, whirling, twirling, striding, gliding. Have you seen them? Have you heard bugs? Bugs have no voices, but still they can sing, rubbing their legs, whirring their wings. Busy crickets in thickets wait for night to fall. Then they rub their legs together and chirp their mating call. A bug has no ears on its little bug head, but some bugs hear through their legs instead, while others use antennae. Look at these antennae. Woo! Those are wild. To taste and hear and smell, and tiny hairs that touch and tell, and help them find their mates as well. Some bugs even use their feet to take a taste before they eat. This is a moth. Have you seen bugs and how they eat? Beetles have mouths. They can bite and chew and snip. while others, like a butterfly, have mouths with straws that sip. Most bugs dine on plants. Some bugs dine on meat. Others take a nip of blood or sip on nectar sweet. Have you seen baby bugs? Inside a hive, nesting in hair, bugs hatch from eggs everywhere. Underwater, underground, in so many places bugs are found. In the bark of trees or wrapped up in leaves. Baby bugs hatch from all of these. I'm sure you recognize this. This is a beehive. And that's also where we get our honey from. Oh, look at this. We did a video about the life cycle of a monarch butterfly. Baby bugs are small, but just for a bit. Little bugs keep growing till their skins don't fit. But some bugs form a chrysalis or spin a fine cocoon where abracadabra, they grow wide wings in a magical changing room. Do you remember what that magical changing room is called? That sleeping stage is called the pupa. And a butterfly has a chrysalis and a moth makes a cocoon. Have you seen working bugs? From flower to flower, bugs work as they go, carrying pollen that makes gardens grow. If it weren't for bugs, orchards would be bare. You couldn't have an apple, an orange, or a pear. There wouldn't be corn or pumpkins or wheat. Without bugs, we'd have little to eat. So their job is to go from plant to plant to plant. They collect the little yellow sticky stuff called pollen. And so these animals are called pollinators because they're the ones that help us have food on this earth. Burrowing, weaving, or building a nest, gathering, guarding, seldom at rest. Working by day, working by night, spinning wondrous webs, or taking off in flight. Do you remember this is called an orb weaver from another book that I read? It's a garden spider. Sleek as a needle, furry as a bear, so many kinds of bugs living everywhere. An army of ants, a flurry of fleas, a band of moths, a swarm of bees, billions of bugs. Have you seen these? I've seen a lot of those. Very cool. Now this page is interesting too because it is showing you some insects that have been stuck in mud at one time and then solidified into rock and are now called fossils. So those are probably not old fossils, but probably more present day ones. So anyways, have you seen bugs? That's a great book. So remember, not all insects are bugs, but all bugs are insects. So you didn't know you were going to learn so much at Grandma's Corner 2020, did you? Alrighty, I look forward to reading another book to you. And this time, it's going to be the book called Snakes. So if you like snakes, like my grandsons Rollin and James do, then this is going to be a book for you because they're getting a snake. How cool is that? So have a good day, and thank you for subscribing. Tell your friends, tell the world, and share. I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye-bye.